As I said, as we were pursuing IAM solutions, the first thing to recognize as organizations start to build these things is you're going to look internally to your organization, and all kinds of IAM services are going to start to crawl out of the woodwork. And the challenge is to actually analyze those services and determine which ones are salvageable and which ones you have to basically remove from the organization. But what can really happen is you can get into an analysis paralysis where you're constantly trying to look for the best solution to make the entire organization happy. And in reality, what you need to do is actually look for a starting point, do something simple, get a success, build confidence in the program, and people will come to your door looking for that type of service.
I like that too. Start small, get some buy-in. Don't go for the big bang theory there right out of the box.
The other two lessons to learn is basically looking at it from maturing your internal IAM services before you start to think about going external. You don't want to encounter a situation where you're trying to interface with an external organization only to find out that your internal systems aren't capable of federating that information. And then lastly, understand that there's distinct requirements between physical and logical access. Lots of organizations can get themselves hung up on the idea that the same CAC card that they use to gain access to facilities could be used for logical access to systems. And they're usually controlled by two different organizations within the agency, which means that you might be held hostage to somebody changing out a CAC card that requires the employees to use it as a logical access device.
Right.
So keep that in mind as you start to pursue a single architecture for IAM.
Excellent.